All right, folks, we got the Crappie salt vehicle back out of the shop. So while I've been down, I have put the Crappie salt vehicle in the shop for servicing. I had an issue with my hydraulic steering too. Now I got it out the shop so that when I'm ready, it'll be ready. Let's get her charged up and we're ready to go. Just make sure my batteries are charged and we are good to go. So while I'm still not back out on the water, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this video for you all. This one is another one of those Crappie Nuggets that I did. I hope this tip helps you. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. I'm going to be back soon. While I have to admit, it was tempting to jump in there and try and fish. Smarter thing to do is to just walk away. Just walk away. I'm walking away. Because this is a new area to me, I'm going to do some scouting with my Livescope. This is how I scout unfamiliar territory with my Livescope and my Sidescan, so that as I'm trolling and I'm looking for things on my Sidescan or on my Livescope, you know, you could do a split screen and you can do both. So I'll pan out. You can see I'm panned out at about 190 feet on that. And I turn my gain up pretty high when I'm scouting. And that's just because I don't care what it looks like. I just know when I see something out there that far, all it's going to look like is static. And oh, there's some static right there at 160 feet. So 160 feet, I see static. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I know what it is now. It's a tree. I see a tree, and I got some emerged timber out of the water, so I need to start being careful. That's one of them trees. So all I'm doing is I'm panning 2 o'clock to 10 o'clock. And there's that tree. I'm now at 100 feet at it. So I'm just panning, and I'm looking at my Sidescan. My Sidescan is showing me those blowdowns over there on the side. I don't see any fish on that timber right there, so I'm just gonna keep on running by. But if I did see some fish, what I would do is I would simply zoom in, and actually at 100 some odd feet you probably wouldn't see fish. So let me take a look at this. There are some fish down there in that tree, but they're 30 feet deep. I don't have my heavy baits on, so I wouldn't fish those. But this might be interesting. I'm still at 75 feet. As you zoom in, it starts to clean up. So here we are. They're at 40 feet. And I don't know if that's bait or what, but there are some fish in there. I wouldn't fish them though, just because they don't look like they're big for one. But them that are down there at the base does. But I'm gonna pass this up and I'll zoom it right on back out. Zoom right back out. And oh, speaking of which, let me go ahead and mark that since I've got it here. And then I'll go ahead and mark it on my Livescope. Shouldn't call it a stump because stumps are going to be different. Oh, that ain't, I don't know what that is on that. That's interesting. Like a box or something. It even looks like a number 4 or number 9 on the middle of it. That's an interesting picture. So I have it marked now. Let me zoom back out. I'm gonna roam on out of here and see if I can find something else. I'm at 190 feet again. So that's how I would scout finding structure in a new area that I'm fishing. That is today's Drysdale Crappie Nugget. Works for me. Hope it works for you. Try it and see.